Everyone, today I will explain about the shipbuilding contraction in the group member and myself. Let me introduce myself. My name is Obi Setian and my partner in the lab.
My name is Wildan.
My name is Budiman.
My name is Niko Armando.
My name is M. Sareza.
And my name is Paul Potter Christian.
My name is Jone Prianto Sirait.
And we are explain about the presentation shipbuilding contraction. Hello everyone. Today I will explain result of our group discussion about the shipbuilding business by looking at technology and innovation. The first, I will explain about the history of shipbuilding. The world's oldest known shipyard was built around 240 BC. It was built in the local port city in Harapan, Gujarat, India. The shipyard of Lothal were associated with the ancient channel of the Sabarmati River on a trade road between the city of Harapan in Sindh and the present-day Saurashtra Peninsula surrounding the desert of Kutch, which form part of the Arabian Sea. Local engineer prioritized the construction of shipyard and warehouse for maritime trade. The dock was built on the east side of the city and considered by archaeologists to be an engineer feat of the highest order. It was located away from the mainstream of the river to avoid siltation, but was also accessible by boats and high tide. Then Naupaktuk's reputation in region dates back to legendary time when it is described as the place where the Hieroglyphians built their fleet to conquer the Peloponnese. The Drasnese shipyard in the Spanish city of the Barcelona, which at times served as both a barracks and an arsenal, was active for at least the mid-30th century until his 80th century. During its period of the operation, drainage was constantly changed, rebuilt, and modified, but two original towers and some on his head contraction ship still remain. Currently, a maritime museum is being built on the site. Next, we'll explain to my partner.
The next slide will be explained by me. The title is Shipyard in Various Countries. In shipyard, there are many shipyards in every country. For example, 1. Norfolk Naval Shipyard. The Norfolk Naval Shipyard, often called the Norfolk Navy Yard and abbreviated as NWSY, is a U.S. Navy facility in Portsmouth, Virginia for building, remodeling and repairing the Navy's ships. It is the oldest and largest industrial facility that belongs to the U.S. Navy as well as the most comprehensive. Located on the Elizabeth River, the yard is just a short distance upriver from its mouth and at Hampton Roads. The next is, or the number 2 is Mayer Ware GmbH and Co. KG. Mayer Ware is one of the major German shipyards, headquartered in Papenburg at the River Ems, founded in 1795 and starting with small wooden vessel. Today, Mayer Ware is a builder of luxury passenger ships. 700 ships of different types have been built at the yard. Its dock hall 2 is the third largest shipbuilding hall and the building with the fifth largest usable volume in the world as of as of 2022. Meyer Werft has been owned and managed by the Meyer family for 7 generations. Since 1997, it has been part of the Meyer Neptune Group. Together with Neptune Werft in Rostock in 2014, the company added the Turku shipyard in Finland to the group. The shipyard is an anchor on the European road of industrial heritage. The third is company MC Dharma. MC Dharma International Ltd is a provider of engineering and construction service to the energy industry, operating in more than 54 countries. MC Dharma employs more than 40,000 people and has marine construction vessel and fabrication facilities throughout the world. Registered as a legal entity in Bermuda. Number 4 is company Bandar Victory Shipyard. PT Bandar Victory Shipyard was established on January 1979. We are the first shipyard company established in Batam Island. PT Bandar Shipyard is a domestic investment company which engages in the shipbuilding industry and offshore equipment. The company is located at Sekupang, Batam Island, Indonesia. Number 5 is company Citra Shipyard. Founded in 2006, Citra Shipyard has grown to be one of the biggest one-stop service shipyard in the local maritime industries. We operate 2 shipyards, the newer and largest shipyard in Kabil, Spain, across 42 hectares, whilst the other shipyard in Kampung Becek cover 24 hectares. Both shipyards are well equipped with pier space, workshop for the different trades, extensive area for building new barges, CPO, SPOBS, and tugboats. Our numerous heavy machineries and gallery of equipment, efficient facilities, and ready to be deployed skilled workforce enable us to prioritize the short possible completion period. The next slide will be explained by my partner. Definition of shipyard. The shipyard building industry has many problems that need to be known by various parties in the maritime environment. The shipyard building industry states that there are 4 main efforts for the transformation progress of shipyard building, so that it can complete internationally and become a shipyard exporting country in the future. For clear function, the shipyard is a place to build, maintain, and repair ship. This location, which was created specifically for ship, has been equipped with various supporting facility or equipment that can support its performance much better, which is also useful for product ship of very good quality. In fact, not infrequently, this place is also used as a location for destroying ship. This is because a ship that will be market of use will undergo a feasibility test first. However, not all shipyards provide this facility. Mostly goes in the shipyard and is found in the Asia region.
Business. In the shipbuilding business, innovation in technology and creation of new materials are essentials for easy the shift to a sustainable industry. We examine in it conjunction with Rodriguez Perez Fernandez, a PhD holder in naval engineering from the Polytechnic University of Madrid Graduate School of Naval Engineering. Over 90% of global trade is conducted by sea using 100,000 merchant ships that have tonnage greater than 100 GT. This vehicle emits CO2 because, like other forms of mobility, it is propelled by fossil fuels and generates power for internal consumption. In order to lower this emission, universities, business, and research institutes are making great efforts to exchange fuels and offer fresh, environmentally friendly substitutes like hydrogen and renewable energy, says Rodrigo Perez Fernandez, a doctorate holder in naval engineering from the Naval Engineering Graduate School. According to Perez Fernandez, shipyard must evaluate the environmental impact of their operation, and this evaluation must always be carried out through the eternity of life cycle, says specialists. Even though the sector has historically produced pollution, he acknowledged that commitments are being made to reduce and even eliminate polluting materials and make the naval industry sustainable benchmark for marine industry. Innovation in tools, building technicals, and materials development have long been hallmark of shipbuilding growth. It's also important to remember that these factors are connected because shifting from wood to iron and then from iron to steel necessitated improving production methods. One of the goals of this industry is to find materials that can reduce the weight of ship while maintaining or increase their durability, surface life, and of course the price is affordable, said Perez Fernandez. Better components can help ships transport more cargo and cover the same distance for less money. With lower carbon emissions, they can also help boost competitiveness, optimize performance, and possibly even cut fuel use.
According to Perez Fernandez, shipyard must evaluate the environmental aspect of the operation, and the operator must always discuss optimize the intent of the life cycle. And the specialist effort to the sector is historical product frontier, implemented tech company being made to run and even eliminate faulty material and make the naval industry a statement benchmark for marine industry, other heavy industry, to public address and environmental regulation. Environmental into building technical and material development have long been hallmark of shipbuilding goals. It's also important to remember this factor a concept because shifting from wood to iron and from iron to steel needs to improvisation method. One of the goals of the industry is to find material that can reduce the weight of ship while maintaining of instrumental operating surface life, and of course the fan is unfriendly, said Perez Fernandez. Better component can help ship transport more cargo and cover those distance for less money. With lower carbon emissions, they can also help boost competitiveness, perform, and possible even call for us. The instrumental technique in shipbuilding today implement instrumental for control, verification, and validation, virtual and augmented reality, robotic, and instrument manufacturing become more common in assembly lines is the product teams lab. According to Paris Fernandez, by doing this, the ship transfer into container and is a concept all of this part. Growing more instrument and legs with ship operation when can monitor the state of the ship in fact real time. He concerning the system developed for information management because the decision and confusion facilitates the transfer of the necessary information to make all of the happen. The most scale analysis component or definite for molecular level component material. The level chemistry and material skin. The traditional folk introduced chemical metal component and made from fiber performance former material. New materials criminal carbon based and after and material are going added to the list.
Researchers are feeding waste to incidental create nose material to take account of this Iskander's property, such as in segress linguist interests control of the links to spectrum and greater metal reactivity compared to like cell material. Is non-fabrication is carried out to blank scale and is reliability and profitable for materials through depth and system and head planet. Across the of technology shows not is engrossed is shipbuilding process the graduacy of marine engineering must take into account with integration technology in shipbuilding. There are many ways is technology can be left in profession. Medigan in action and information hidden to out marine projects core and eventually misting technology and have always positive impact. It is one of the best way to and logical as a standard rules design willingness based practices in a test. Understand natural home lagus and find what's most relevant to you organ process. Recon is and most repeatedly clear as you learn your design. The elements agreeing it at the same experience are the most important contributing element of technology. A digital twin is even geometry is ideal virtual.
Shipyard is on part of that company that has real mainnet for ship. The shipyard must require maximum time and energy on that ship must remain in good continue when sailing. The shipyard requires fair exchange consists to pay. Thank you.